Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly time frame, I still think there's a very good likelihood that we are in a WXY. I think we're actually already in the A, the B, and we're currently in the wave C of wave Y. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I think this is likely the A. I think this over here is likely the wave B. That means that this would likely be a 1. This would be a big ABC correction, wave 2. And I think we're in a wave 3 already. We're just in subdivisions of the wave 3, like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, and so on for the wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here. We are at a Fibonacci level, and we did have a little bit of a break on the Aussie dollar. I'm not really convinced that this is going to be the continuation of the uptrend. I think more than likely it's just going to be a correction to the move down, and then later on we'll probably get another push down before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. I had this labeled as an ABC, but like I said, I'm really not convinced that this is actually going to continue down. I think it's either going to be a 3-3-3 pattern like a WXY, so ABC of W, ABC of X, and then possibly ABC of Y, maybe bringing it down to the 50 or the 61%, or maybe this is going to be a 3-3-5 pattern, which would be basically a flat. Either way, I think we probably should be looking for longs now that we got a break of structure, and we'll probably expect to see likely a correction to this whole move down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we had that break of structure, and now we're in a pullback. So now I got my Fibonacci retracement on from here to here, and I'm looking for three-way pullbacks. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces. So if this does make a three-way pullback, a nice move down to one of these fib levels, a nice engulfing impulsive move to the upside, then that is exactly what I would be looking for potentially the continuation of this move up, which, like I was just explaining, is probably going to be pretty likely a correction to the whole move down on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.